Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to trade crypto using Binance. Now let us begin. Well, right here, as you can see, I have already installed the application and logged into my account. In case you have not do it right now, that is quite easy. Now let's simply look at how to trade the crypto. At the bottom of the screen, right next to markets, you will see a button like this called as Trade. Click on it. And guys, this is it. Once you do, you will be redirected to this page. Initially, you will be in the convert section. This is the page that we want to be in. From here, you can simply change your network. Currently, it is in USDT. As you can see, I am changing it. Likewise, you can change it for the to section as well. Now, what you need to do is simply enter the balance right here. Let's say I enter this right here. And as you can see, the conversion rate has been provided. Once everything is okay, simply hit on trade and just follow along the prompts. That is it guys. That's how you trade crypto in Binance. It's quite easy. Do note that I cannot trade right now because I do not have sufficient crypto. That is it guys. That's the gist of it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.